Hello folks. In this video you will learn how to register to RPM 3.0. Many affiliates are hesitant to sign up, but it's not difficult and it's free. I will try to make this video quick and easy for you. The advantage is that you can pause, rewind, and continue this video as many times as you need. Here you will see the step-by-step. First you have to go to the link in the description of this video, click on the link Access to Rapid Profit Machine. If you're ready, I recommend opening this link on a laptop or PC, so you can see the options and menus better. Although you can also do it on mobile. We are already in desktop mode, and you will see how to register. Enter your best email in this field. You need to watch this video to the end, and read the page to know what RPM is. Once you're ready, click the "Yes, I want the free Rapid Profit Machine" button. This is the checkout of the RPM, but is totally free. Enter your full name and your email. Click the Get Free Access button. I invite you to watch the following video and read this page. If you want to continue with the process, you can click the green button if you want to acquire this benefit. I've already purchased it, so I'm going to skip to the next page on the red button. On the next page, you need to watch the video. If you want to apply this benefit, which is highly recommended, you can activate it on the green button. I already have it, so I'm going to jump on the red button. Do not miss this video and understand how to earn your very first affiliate commission. When you finish, go to the next step. Fill out the required details. Assign a username and password for RPM. Remember, your username shouldn't be your email. Choose a special name for your RPM. You immediately access the members area, where you have to follow the step-by-step to activate your RPM and configure it to receive commissions. So I recommend that you watch each video of the instructions that you will find here. You must complete each step. It won't take so long. Remember, you will do all this the first time, and you will only have to send traffic to your affiliate link to receive commissions from your affiliated leads. You must access the private Facebook group so you can find out all the RPM information. There you will learn everything about how to apply this business and how to generate more leads. Many people are sharing their victories and strategies. I'm going to skip this step. You should stop this video and access the group. Go now and continue with the video in a minute. Excellent, this step is very important. You must enter Warrior Plus, which is the platform where you will receive your commissions. Watch the video and follow the steps. It is very easy and quick. When you already registered to Warrior Plus, then access to the platform. Go to your profile button. Click on My Account. Click on Account Summary. Copy your ID account. Go back and paste your ID into this box. Click on the Save button. When the video restarts, then your ID is already saved. Press the Next Step button. In this step, you have to register to Builderall, which is the platform where you will receive recurring commissions too. Watch the video. Click on the blue button to register. In the description of this video, I will leave a link, so you can see a tutorial on how to connect a domain to Builderall, and you can make email marketing to your leads. You can also create your website for your business or agency. Builderall tools are very easy to use. With them you can do a new business, such as building web pages easily, creating funnels, building apps, apply the booking tool to sell it to your prospects, who need to make appointments to their clients. There are too many options to make businesses online. Meanwhile, you earn recurring commissions with RPM. If this video is helpful to you, please subscribe, give us a like and share it. Let's continue. Log into Builderall with your new username and password. If you are already a Builderall user, you can access it with your same account. What you now need is your Builderall user ID. Copy it from your account. Go back to RPM and paste it into this box. Click on the Save ID button. Nice. Click on the Next Step button. You must watch this video. Now you can promote the RPM funnel and start getting leads. You should know that the traffic that James offers is highly qualified, and you would have more leads as affiliated. So you can earn recurring commissions quickly. You can also promote organically, but you know that this is the slowest process. For now, I'm going to skip this step. I recommend you to watch this video until the end. Alright, everything is ready. Now, with RPM Pro you have the opportunity to earn 50% recurring commissions with 12 products, and in another bunch, you can earn 10% on high-ticket products. Also 25 and 50% on low tickets, not recurring commissions. In total your affiliate link will be in 48 products. So you have more chances to earn commissions with RPM Pro. It's a low cost for all you can earn. Start now. You don't need to be an affiliate expert, everything is done for you. Just activate RPM Pro and promote the links that James leaves us in the members area. Of course, if you want to earn higher commissions and have more benefits, I suggest checking out the RPM Pro Max and RPM Pro VIP plans. Now I'm going to activate it. Click on the RPM Pro option on the menu. I recommend that you watch the video until the end and decide which plan you want to apply in RPM Pro. I am now going to start with the 29.90 plan. Just accept the terms and conditions, enter your credit card details and click the checkout button. Watch this video, and if you want to take this offer, it's a great opportunity. Congratulations! Everything is ready. Now finish watching this video and then click on this link to go to the RPM members area. Click on I'm already registered to enter with your credentials. To access your affiliate links, you need to go to the RPM Hub menu. Select the Your Funnels option. You will have 5 capture page options that you can use in your different campaign tests. You can also use them freely in your organic strategies. You can see the preview of each landing page on this button. You'll have different copies and designs. It is important to have different options to test which one works best to capture your leads in your ads or your strategies. Everything is done for you, so that you only promote the product and earn your commissions when a lead enters as an affiliate. For now, you can put the link in the digital card that we have given you. If you don't have it yet, access the link in the description to get digital card for free. Fill out the form to receive the instructions and configure it in your Builderall office, so you will have your funnel in the biography of your social media, or in the description of your videos. Now I'm going to test this landing page. Copy the link of this button. Go to Cheetah Builder and edit the card. Select the RPM button with a right-click. Click on the link icon. Paste your affiliate link here. Click on the Select button. Then click Save the web page. Go back to the main dashboard and click on Republish. If the page doesn't work, it is because it has not been updated. Wait a minute and refresh the page. Now try the button. It's done. Your landing page for your digital card is ready. It's time to do your job of inviting your followers to hit the link in your bio. This way you will have more opportunities to have affiliates. Let's do it. It's your chance now. Remember to follow our social media so you can learn more about sales strategies. Subscribe to our channel, share our videos, and comment if it helped you. We will leave you another video so you can learn how to use this marketing platform called Builderall. Click on the next video. See you soon.